Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide.
For Chevy and GMC's 2004 to 2012 Colorado and Canyon.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Remove the spare tire hoist, wheel wrench guide, and evap canister. Step 3. Cut out the factory spare tire crossmember and grind the frame free of rust and debris. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Place your replacement spare tire crossmember in between the frame rails using the factory part silhouette to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your crossmember onto the frame before welding it on fully. If you have a Chevy Colorado, you will need to weld the spare tire plate onto your crossmember. To do this, line up your spare tire plate with the top of your crossmember. Then, tack weld the plate before welding it on fully. Step 5. Reinstall the spare tire hoist, wheel wrench guide, and evap canister. Finally, paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Then, you're done.